Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at the Home Depot Labor Day sale. So let's dive in. To get us started, we're going to check out some of these Traeger deals right here. We can see we have one here for $4.99. Pretty good deal right there for Traeger. Get to save a few $100 there, which is super nice. Then we also have the other option here for Traeger, the Ironwood, for $12.99. So again, another great deal, especially for the Traeger brand. And then we have another one here for $5.99 for the Traeger Pro. So if you're interested in a Traeger, this is definitely a great time to go ahead and pick one up on these Labor Day sales. And while you're grabbing some of these, you can also check out a few of the pellets as well. We have a few dollars off some of these bags of pellets, so you can grab some of those. Another option we have right here is the leaf vacuum mulcher here for Ryobi. You just save a few bucks on that for some outdoor options. While you're out there, you can also grab this chainsaw for 199 bucks here for Ryobi. Another great deal and great option. Also had another table on sale, very similar to Lowe's, but they have just a random table on sale. So if you need one of those for any outdoor parties, you can definitely grab. Then we also see this little fun option right here for the gas fire pit. So if you would like a gas fire pit, this is definitely a great one for you, similar to a little table option and a little fire pit in the middle, which is really cool looking. And another cool option right here is this walkabout grill. So you can definitely grab one of those and save some money. We also have the Milwaukee tape measure on sale here, and then also this cooler down to 34 bucks. So again, some great options on those. You can also grab some of these brooms, getting stuff cleaned up, and then even some hair and grease drain opener. Save about $4 on that. Also, I know some of the trees are about to fall, so it's a great time to grab some of these gutter guards. And then you can also grab some of these flexible downspout diverters as well. Grab some of those and save you a little bit of money. Then also a couple other things. We have some outdoor lawn fertilizer. You can grab some of these. And then even some touch-ups on your house. You can grab some Behr paint. I also saw some of these storage options. If you need some storage options for your tools, there are a bunch of great Husky deals right here. You can see all of these. And they have been around for a little while, but again, just a great thing to check out while you're there. Then a few other just deals going on right now. We see some Ryobi tool deals. You can definitely grab some of these, save you a little bit of money. We also have this power bank here for Dewalt and a jump starter here for $100. And then we see some of these other deals that are available. We have just a couple of different options, whatever you might need. Some of these saws and also this battery as well. Get to save a few bucks. And then again, we have the rigid options right here with the fan and then also the battery. You can also grab one of these hammers here for Dewalt. And we have a few more Dewalt batteries on sale as well. Here down to 99 bucks. And then here's a couple other options for Dewalt. You can buy one of these tool options right here in Dewalt brand, and then you also get this battery for free. Great starter pack here for anyone getting in. Also have this saw here for Dewalt. And then again, another combo pack here. So if you need to grab one of these, you get the 7 combo pack. I think it's a great deal, especially with the atomic option there. Great option to check that out. Definitely think it'll be a great deal. And then also the circular saw here as well for $250. Again, the Flex Bolt is a great option for DeWalt, so that's great, definitely something I recommend. Then we also see the Dremel on sale down to 85 bucks, and a few other more rigid tools here. So if you're in the rigid brand, definitely a great little pickup. You can check this out and see if this is something you might be interested in as well. Then we also see a few other great DeWalt deals going on as well. So you can check some of these out, see if these might be interesting to you. Then also another Dremel deal as well. Then Rigid had their miter saw on sale. You can see this for $250. That's a great markdown right there, especially if you want to stick in the Rigid brand. Definitely a great option. Then we also have the Ryobi miter saw on sale as well for $264. Another great option. And a great deal to go ahead and pick up. And this is what that looks like. Most of them have been picked over, but this is definitely the one that you're looking at there. Milwaukee also had a sale on their right angle drill for $325. Great pickup right there, especially if you want to do the heavy duty and need the right angle option. Also the Dewalt screw gun for $117. Good option right there. Again, it is the plug-in version, and then we also have the rigid option right here as well. Also the plug-in option as well. Then we have a couple of the storage items. So if you need some storage options, I know a lot of people are doing those in their garage. Then they had a lot of their outdoor seating on sale. You can see some of these chairs here for $7. Also some of these Adirondack chairs for 15 bucks. That's definitely a great price. You can pick some of those up, save a little bit of money. Also have some chairs, just regular chairs here for $11. Maybe some pool chairs here for 15. Some of these have been outside, but you can check and see if they're still available at your store. We also have a couple of just other options, but these are some great deals, especially if you are looking for some of this stuff. I also have this table on sale for 65 bucks. Another great pickup. And then even this large umbrella, the one that kind of leans over. Then up to 50% off some of these items. This was a great deal for this table. And then, like I've said, the last probably a few weeks, we have a lot of good deals on their pillows and other items like that at Lowe's and Home Depot. But you can even grab some more of these chairs right here. Again, a lot of their items are 50% off or more. We also have a few of other options right here for some of these chairs, and that's actually some of these bag chairs as well. You can grab some of these for $9.98. And then you can even grab a few other of these deals and just fun stuff for outside seating. Then we have the 3-plier wrench set for Husky. Saw this sale, thought that might be something interesting to us. And then we also have the Ryobi drill. So this is the little bit smaller option, but still a solid deal, especially in the Ryobi brand. Then we have the portable power source here for Milwaukee down to 34 bucks. Definitely a great pickup with that. And I know a lot of you guys are interested in the Halloween decor, so I want to show you guys some of the setups. I actually had to go to multiple Home Depots just to get all of these. This is a little kind of a creepy, weird little hand here. So if you like the Halloween setup, this is definitely something you might be interested in. But the lady at the store definitely wanted to make sure that we saw this one and saw how everything worked. Then you can also see all the other decor that they have out, all of these other options with the different things, different light up things. You can check those out, bats and skulls and all kind of other fun stuff like that. So if you need some decorations for Halloween, this is definitely a great spot to go ahead and find it. You definitely want to grab this stuff early as well because it will sell out. I have seen that happen a lot of times. And then you can even see some of these inflatables and other options right here that they have. Just a bunch of different things. Some are kind of fun and some are creepy. So it just kind of depends on what you might be interested in. And then some of them are even large. See right here is a 10-foot option with the little jack-o'-lantern. That's huge. And they even have a little Bluey and the Minions in there as well. So you can check some of these out. And then you can also see some of the pricing. So these are some definitely great deals and great things. Again, if you're interested in grabbing some of these options for Halloween. Another item they had right here is this fog timer. So if you need to grab some of these for, again, some of the decorations for Halloween or just other things like that, you can definitely do that. And then here's a few other options that they had. More of this, their Halloween decor and other Halloween items. See some of these little scary trapdoor items right here. And then even some of their light up lights for skeletons and stuff like that. So again, they have a huge setup at my local Home Depot in this. And like I mentioned, I had to go to another one because one of the ones I went to didn't even have anything set out just yet. So I wanted to make sure, show you guys all the stuff they have. It even has a little Home Depot display right there. Might be something you might be interested in. Then they have a few more just things that you can set out and have up at your house. And here's a few more decor items, again, for Halloween, just kind of some crows and also some other creepy items with that. So you might be interested in some of these. They also had some of their smaller decor items. We have a few animals right here, dinosaurs, some cats, bats, and other things like that. So some of their small other options, you can check some of these out and see all the stuff that they had, again, at Home Depot going on right now. even some more dogs with masks and just some other stuff like that. So all kind of animals and even some bats and different things. So again, whatever you might be interested in or need for your Halloween setup, they definitely have a lot of these options. And again, another little minion option right there. They also have some dogs, again, some other options for your house. The one right there, the jack-o'-lantern, and then also the skeleton and the pirate. A lot of little fun options as well for your house. They also had some skeletons being set out. You can see some of these are being set up, but they again didn't have their full setup in most of the areas. So you can check just a few of these items. And they had some of their jack-o'-lanterns and pumpkins and stuff like that as well. And like I mentioned, not all of these were set up. So still trying to get all of these set out and set up and everything ready for Halloween. Let me know in the comments if you go and grab some of these things, or if you go out for Halloween and decorate and set up and have all this type of stuff, what all that you might have in your yard, or what kind of setup that you might have. Here's a large option right there with all the jack-o'-lanterns, and then we even see a few more right here with the Minions and Bluey, and then even some of those other inflatables that we saw earlier actually blown up, and even Donald right there. Then here's a few more with the gargoyle and some of the skulls. So a lot of different setups right there. And then, like I mentioned, saw a couple of these options, wanted to show y'all. A few more of these were on sale. So if you need some cushions, definitely a great time to go ahead and pick up some of these. You'll definitely save some money, and it's worth it. Go ahead and grab some of this decor as well. And then at the other store, they did have a lot more of their wicker options. You can check out some of these. It said, again, up to 50% off. So if you want some of these wicker furniture, you go ahead and check and see if your store has these. This one is the kind of rocker glider option right here for $174 with the cushions. That's a pretty great setup right there. And then we also have just the rocker itself for $169. So again, another great option you can check out. My son loved running in the camera there. But you can always check out and see if these are some of the deals that you might be interested in at Home Depot. But overall, I think there's some pretty solid deals on a few different fun things here for this Labor Day savings. They also had a great setup going on for Halloween. So let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.